So, hi everybody. Today we are doing a taste test. As you can tell by the title, we got some snacks from when we were in Berlin. And we're going to try them now on camera because it's been a while and we should do that before we go home so I don't have to carry these all the way home. So, yeah, here we go. Oh, this first one is called Palm Bar, and it looks like this. Oh, there, I'm covering Jess. It looks like this, and I think this is the one that you picked. Oh, yeah, Olivia is in the background.
Hello.
Yeah, but she can't eat a lot of this stuff, but this is the one that you picked out, actually.
Oh, yeah.
So do you want to try this too?
Sure.
All right. All right. Oh, they're pretty crushed.
Oh my god.
Okay.
What? I really
got
feel like a lot more. Oh, like fluffy. Like they're so flat.
They look like.
That one's headless, right?
Yeah.
Oh, I have that.
You have the head there? Aw, that's cute. All right, well, everyone take a piece, I guess.
This is like depressing.
I know. It was pretty big.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, it's his face.
I know, but it's like half of his body.
All right, here we go. Oh, that tastes like the rice cracker we had on our. Yeah, we had like pad thai type food. Yeah.
Yeah, pretty good.
Yeah.
It's kind of tastes like potato chips.
Yeah. All right. Well, do you want them?
I'll take it.
I mean, we're gonna have open bags of a lot of stuff. All right.
I like that.
Yeah, that's pretty good. All right, let me put this out of this way. There we go. All right, so Palm Bar was a success. I don't know about this one.
Wait, I think I picked out this one.
Yeah, I just did. It is called Bacon Snack. So, and it looks like they look like bacon, like strips. Again, covering that, but here we go. Oh, they look terrible.
Really?
Oh, they smell bad.
Oh gosh.
Oh!
They look like dog treats.
Wait, that smells like some sort of like alcohol.
It smells like dog
They
treats.
smell like dog treats.
It does.
Really?
Oh. Alright, well.
Like I'm pretty sure I've seen that at Petco.
Wait, I don't understand why it's a bacon chip. Does it just look like bacon, or is that? It's not actually bacon.
It's probably like essence of bacon.
Yeah, like bacon essence.
Ew, okay.
Here we go.
Bottoms up.
Oh. Actually,
It's not fun.
I changed my mind.
I don't know.
Tastes like barbecue.
Yeah, barbecue.
Oh, it doesn't smell good. It doesn't smell like barbecue. But it's not terrible.
I don't like it.
If you don't smell it, it's pretty good. I mean, not right now, but.
I'm not gonna eat anything.
All right, we don't have many more. We only have 3 more.
I thought I
All right.
got like 5.
I did. All right, this next one, we're going to sweet now. This one is called the Listo. And it says, Yo Berry, Gut Fruits Day Boys. So I think that is berries. Fruit Day Boy. Blah. Uncultured. Oh. Try not to swear. Okay. All right, darn. Here you go. It looks like a chocolate bar of some sort.
No, this looks like that really gross bar, granola bar that I
This looks like it may be better. This has some potential, I think.
just because it's chocolate on the outside.
Yeah.
Okay.
This is what it looks like. I don't know. It looks like a healthy bar thing. I don't know. Here we go. Cheers.
I kind of like it.
I kind of like it too.
I wish like the cracker part was more
Crunchy.
Yeah, crunchy. I wish it wasn't like
It melts too fast.
you know.
But
all the berries are really sour.
yeah, there's like dried cranberries or something in there, and the bottom part is kind of like shortbready, but it's really soft. It's covered in chocolate.
I'm gonna eat it. I'm done.
I'm gonna leave it to the side. And after we try everything, then I'm gonna go back and eat things I actually like, because I don't want to get full on something I don't love. All right, this next one's kind of cute. It's Mowgli from the Pickle Book. This looks pretty safe. I think this is a cocoa plant on the side, but I think that now. But when I bought it, I'm pretty sure I thought it was a weird fruit. But now I'm sure it's a cocoa plant, so it's probably not going to be that crazy. But it is. Yeah, it's a cacao waffine. So a cooked chocolate wafer waffle.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
I mean, I think we'll like this one.
I don't think I'll dislike this. This seems pretty safe. Yeah, this, I already know I like this. Sorry.
Thanks.
Very crumbly.
Yeah.
I'm making a fruit roll by now.
This is what it looks like. Looks good. I don't know. Ew.
No. That's so gross.
That chocolate is weird. It doesn't.
Ew, I hate this so much. This is so disgusting.
We know we'll love it. Yeah, that's a taste.
What does that say? 30% wiener.
Wiener.
Is that-
30% wiener. Maybe that means 30% less sugar?
Oh, I hate things that try to cut out sugar.
Yeah.
It makes it taste so bad.
Yeah. Okay, well. Sorry, Mowgli.
Wait, that chocolate's not even chocolate.
It doesn't taste like normal chocolate.
It tastes
It
expired
could.
to me. I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah, check the expiration date.
Oh, 2018 now. But like. I'm excited.
Okay, well,
I'm excited about this one.
We
Moving
can't-
on.
we can't have a bunch of successes. Moving on. This is called Jelly Bananin from Adika. And it says mint 20% Zart bitter chocolate. So 20% bitter chocolate,
Your German is astounding.
right? I'm basically German at this point. So let's try this. I think it's gonna be chocolate covered banana.
But I don't really like dried bananas. Like, is it gonna be crunchy, mushy? Oh, they're tiny.
Yeah, but I mean, okay. Well, it
I
just
think
looks
it's
like
mushy.
Ugh.
Mushy.
Oh, I feel
We're
like
gonna
that.
have to
Okay.
I show it to the camera again.
That's like essence of banana. That's not even yellow.
Here, let me try to
How
focus
is
it
it
too.
clear?
It's clear. Well, it does say jelly bananin.
So
So
is it just like banana flavored jelly?
I think so.
Wait, I
Find out.
was actually expecting like a banana.
Well, I didn't think a banana would last this long.
Yeah, that's what I meant. But I was why would you say that?
Yeah. All right. Well,
I'm really scared. I feel like it's gonna be bad.
I know it's gonna be bad. But let's just do it. Wow. That taste has never been in my mouth. Wow.
No.
Nope. That's a no.
Where's the paper towel?
We don't have paper towels.
We're not fancy like that.
Oh.
It tastes really tangy. Really tangy.
What's the matter?
Yeah.
Oh, that's a cute cup. Thanks, I got it at the Eiffel Tower.
Oh yeah, the one
No,
that
that
we
was-
lost at the Louvre.
Yeah. That
Nice.
was like the first of me starting to lose things. First of money. I can't even eat this.
Oh, don't. Just don't.
That's so disgusting.
All right. Well, we don't like the jelly banana. That's
No
the
surprise.
verdict. But the verdict is the Ballisto was pretty good. The bacon wasn't as terrible as we thought. And the bear thing was just like a potato chip. So that was pretty safe. But, yep, this has been us trying some German snacks. And don't mind my leg, I have good posture. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. And if you did, click the subscribe button down below. And click the little bell to get notified whenever I upload. So, yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!